How did he fall over?
I don't know. Let's see. I think he like swiveled when he went back.
What is that?
Oh, yeah.
It's all her stuff. Yeah.
Can I make it into the vlog?
Maybe. You gotta do something good.
Yeah. If you get up and do a little dance, you'll get put in.
Oh.
Do a little dance. Do a little dance.
No promises.
Watch my little dance. I want to try that.
Worm, get the worm.
The worm in the library is crazy. Should I do the worm in the library?
Yeah.
Arting. This is Lauren's shirt today. It's Godzilla? Mm-hmm. Whoa, that goes hard. Look who Lori brought to girl time.
That's not a girl. Oh yeah, I knew that was gonna happen.
She brought not a girl to girl time.
Which is
Man, what
crazy.
the hell? Oh.
Hold on. I'm listening to you. I'm just gonna let me sit with the proper posture. Bring it to me. I'm an artist on the D.
Yeah.
No one knows for real.
No one knows for real.
So watch. I'm just gonna like Kiki, do you love me?
Oh,
Are you riding?
Yeah.
Say you'll never ever leave from
Okay.
Cause I want ya and I need ya and I'm hold on. Here we go.
Whoa!
Yeah, gang.
What's Lauren doing?
Gang, period. Laughing my ass off.
Gang. Ooh, so spicy.
What?
He got the Hennessy!
I love you so much.
So Maddie done. That's obviously gonna get peeled off. Lauren done. Lori not done. Lori very not done.
Miranda not done.
Miranda
She actually
not
cooked that
done.
idea.
Emma not done. Lauren said she's gonna get quirked up, so. Oh. We're all done with ours. Lori's not, because she's sweating it. Lori art looks so good.
like, my roommate, our
It's
biggest
cold.
one is
We're
not
deciding the date on them now.
I mean, I don't really know. I don't know, but I also don't really care.
Wow.
Sorry.
Wow. We're at the rec center. Rec center. Are you serious? Rec center. Rec center. Center. Lauren.
We're gonna demolish this. We're gonna demolish this. Yeah.
Okay, guys, so here's Kaylin and Miranda. I don't think they're gonna be star players. I'm sorry. Like, I don't think the fit that Kaylin got on is really the vibe for volleyball. But you know, he's there. Oh, there's Maddie. Kaylin and Miranda. Kaylin's just sticking right next to Miranda because he doesn't know what he's doing. Oh, he's coming this way. Oh, you smile. Oh, the whoa. Okay, Joe's about to do it. And Kaylin missed because he's gay.
I murder people.
Oh.
What you doing? Look, there's dogs. Because it's finals week.
What the dog doing?
There's dogs because it's finals week.
Yeah. I mean, wait. No, finals.
Yes, yay dogs.
Yay, dogs.
No, finals. It's so sunny. Oh.
Sweet dog.
It's all Toby's.
It's like a balloon.
You can't do it for any length of time anymore.
Whoa. So sad.
Good job.
Lori's is being a good girlfriend and is watching Ethan's Rocket League match in the library.
I'm allergic to their hair, it's live up there. Oh, that scared me.
Back down I go. They gave the kids squares of bubble wrap to pop. The greatest fidget toy.
They fucking trapped me. Bam. This is Bam and Josiah's first vlog appearance.
Right next to you?
Why'd you throw it away?
No, don't sing. Do not sing. Don't sing. No, don't. Shut the fuck up. This is so embarrassing.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maddie. Sean's one-upping her.
Sean and Bam. Those are two college Valorant players.
Happy birthday, girl.
Oh shit.
An insane amount. She's never gonna run out.
I'm actually never gonna run out.
Oh my phone! Oh wait, I'm going.
Oh my god, everything is flying out of Sean's pockets. Oh my god, that was close.
Wait, where am I going? Yo,